Hey babies. So I don't always film my videos as vlogs at first, but I feel like I maybe should, just to give you guys kind of the thought process of how I do these videos, because they literally just come to me and I'm just like, I want to do that, even when I'm like, Brittany, just chill out for a second. But I'm heading to the hair store right now because I am going, my hair looks a mess. I'm not gonna lie, she's struggling. She needs some help, and so I just ordered a new wig. It's probably not gonna get here till next week, so I don't want to do anything too crazy to my hair right now because I'm gonna be putting on that wig. And let me know down below if you guys want a video of me installing the wig. I don't think I've done like a full up close and personal brand new wig install on this channel. I don't know if that's something you guys want from me. I am also at this current time that I'm filming this, I'm taking my channel on a new turn. I'm going to be talking to you guys more and not really doing tutorial style videos because I feel like YouTube is overly saturated with tutorials right now. So I just want to give you guys kind of like processes of like get readies with me, just with my own twists on them, more advice videos with mixed in with like a makeup video or a hair video, stuff like that. More where I'm just talking and giving you guys tips, so you kind of get you kill two birds one stone. You're learning how to do something new maybe, and you're also like just getting someone else's perspective on how their life is going or how they gain their confidence, but yeah, I'm heading to the hair store right now to go get some Marley hair because I want to try a top knot. I'm kind of scared though because I have a round head, but I want to try a top knot in my hair and maybe put like chopsticks in it. My friend Talia, hopefully she has a picture of it. She has a picture of it. I'm gonna put it right here. She's recently been doing that with her hair. She looks nothing like me. She's my other plus size friend. She has like very curly hair. She's mixed, so her hair is curly, but it's still like Talia. So yeah, and she kind of gave me the inspiration in my head to kind of try it on myself. I just don't know if it's gonna work for me, but we're gonna try it. And I'm also gonna get some hair products. I'm gonna take you guys as much as I can with me. My phone is definitely about to die and I film on my phone, so I was gonna go to my school to go get a camera, but I've been talking so long, I think they're gonna be closed by the time I get there. So I'm gonna get a camera tomorrow because I am gonna be filming tomorrow. Getting my nails done tomorrow. I thought I was gonna be getting my nails done today. Drove all the way to the nail salon just to find out that my appointment was for October 12th. Yeah, so, but she said she can fit me in tomorrow, so I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. And yeah, let me stop talking and head to the nail salon. No, nigga. Wow. So I just got back from the hair store. Ooh, my forehead is on exposed. Okay. I spent like $29. I'm gonna show you guys what I got inside. I just felt like getting out the car. Oh, terrible angle getting out the car with you guys. My pants are falling. Don't do that at home, it's not sensible. Sorry to anyone's license plate. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the mess in the background. My room's a mess, as per always. I haven't sat down and done a video in a minute. We're about to figure out something with this hair right now. As you guys saw in the beginning part of the video, I went to the nail salon. I keep saying nail salon because I was supposed to have a nail appointment there. I went to the hair store and bought some stuff to do a top knot in my head. I don't even think I told you guys what I was gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought in a second. I'm just getting my hair wet. Probably like, bitch, what is going on with your hair? Honestly, I don't know. My hair's going through a lot right now. I don't really take care of it. That's why I don't try to give like natural hair advice, because I don't really take care of my own hair. So for me to try and give advice would be kind of hypocritical. Okay, so I need to show you guys what I bought so that I can start doing my hair. So first off, I bought this. You guys can see, it is. I'm trying to see like the official name. There's like a lot going on. 2 times 2-in-1 value pack Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair from. It's either Noir or Noir. I'm gonna guess that this is trying to make like a cute eye and go with Noir, but I don't actually know. So yeah, this is just kinky hair that I bought, and I'm gonna use that to help me do my hair with it. It's a little bit darker than my natural hair. I got it in a 1 and it's still darker. Shit. But it's not that much. It's just a purer black than my hair, I guess you could say. But it's as close as I was gonna get. So this is what it's looking like. I'm probably only gonna use half of it since it's 2 times. I'm probably only gonna use half of it, don't hold me to it. This was $8 for both of them. Well, for like the 1 pack. That's what I'm gonna be using, so I'm gonna put that aside and out of my way. I also got the She Is Bomb Goo. I haven't used this on my channel, but I've used this before in my life. It's this really good, it's a good firm holding gel paste. So I use it for my edges and it stays like all day even with sweat, and I'm a sweaty bitch. So then I got a new hard comb because I needed another one. I needed another one. Well, I actually don't own it. Wait, yes I do own a hard brush. Wow. Well, I bought a different hard brush because the one I own I stole from my mom. I might as well give that back now. So I got a new one. I got chopsticks because I want to put the ninja bun. Yeah. And then I got hairpins, bobby pins, whatever you call them. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the goop. Oh, it has a protective seal. Especially with the way people be using stuff nowadays, I'm glad it comes with a protective seal. This was like $12. It's worth the price. I think you get 2.5 fluid ounces, no animal testing, for the people that care. I know the girl who came up with this. I think she's from Florida. It says it's made in Florida. It's manufactured in Florida. But I believe the girl who. Okay, so I backed you guys up and raised you guys so you guys can now see more of my messy room. But I figured you probably need to see more of what's going on since the hair is on. I'm also moving you guys to the side a little bit because I need to be able to see what's in front of me. You know, yeah, what's going on. This is just set up for hair. I'm gonna figure out my setup more and more. But if you're a lazy person like me who doesn't like to get up, make sure you have everything you need. You're gonna need a scarf to tie down your hair, a brush, a comb, your holding gel. I have 2 plus a spray over here. Your accessories, water to help you lay down your hair, and you might need foaming mousse. So.
Bang bang, looky look. Pays-moi ton nez quand couille un film cowboy. Tout le monde sait. Bang bang, looky look. Pays-moi pas yon jouet, si span jouer avec elle. What's going on? What's going on? Pays-moi ton nez quand couille un film cowboy. Tout le monde sait. Bang bang, looky look. Pays-moi pas yon jouet, si span jouer avec elle. Baby girl, let's build our own world. Just you and me, baby, in our own world. Yeah, we'll make some cute little babies in our own world. Together, baby, we can build our own world. Yeah. Vini m'parler au chéri. Moi gon pa wal pou m'konte ou vini m'parler au doudou. Chérie, oh yeah. Moi gon pa wal pou m'konte ou vini m'pale ou doudou. Oh, 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 Femme ça mauvais, femme ça mauvais, yeah. Mauvais yo, mauvais yo. Femme ça mauvais, femme ça li mauvais, oh yeah. Mauvais oh, mauvais oh. Moi besoin clairer dans système moi, à bouger mix pour m'ka danser. Mauvais moyen chéri à moi, pour m'ka mener wale la caille à moi. Moi besoin clairer dans système moi, à bouger mix pour m'ka danser. Mauvais moyen chéri à moi, pour m'ka mener wale la caille à moi. Ça c'est l'amour doudou, c'est l'essentiel, ou débatté en l'arc-en-ciel. L'amour doudou, tout ça c'est l'amour doudou, yeah. C'est l'essentiel, ou débatté en l'arc-en-ciel. I'm looking for my rebound chick. Girl, could you be it? Bang bang, looky look. Paye-moi ton nez coco, yon film cowboy. Tout le monde sait bang bang, looky look. Paye-moi pas yon jouet, si sponge.
Oh my god, I'm so shocked that it actually turned out good because I suck at doing hair. So I'm gonna spray my hair with some coconut oil hydrating mist. This is just a topper. I'm spraying it on my actual hair, obviously, just to give her some hydration. And as you guys can see, like, I've barely laid my edges down, and they're like I love this stuff. My friend Gioni put me on. If I remember, I'll put her information down in the bio. And they have it at my beauty supply, so they probably have it at yours. But I also believe the girl sells it online, but she gets it distributed at other stores. This is so fucking, oh my god. Like, when I tell you this don't come up, like, oh my god, this is so cute. Got some hairpin stuff in it. Oh god, this is so freaking cute. This is such an easy look to do. I'm filming this right now and without editing, right now with me walking away, with me just being me. And this is my first time ever doing this. It took me, we're at 25:15, and by the time I edit this, obviously it's gonna be shorter, but this took me less than 20 minutes. Like, this is a back to school look. Hella late, but this is an easy school look. Quick top knot, what? And you can continue to play with it so that it fits to your, like, what you want. Right now I'm just adding some pieces to make it more narrow than wide. Ah! I'm in love, guys. I'm in love. Like, that was so easy to do. And And my hair isn't crazy long. Like I wouldn't say I have a TWA, but I don't have like long 4C hair or long or medium long 4C hair. Like I have pretty short hair, and I just that. And really all you need is to just have enough hair to anchor. There are plenty of videos, if you have shorter hair than me and you're watching this, there are plenty of videos where these girls find the coolest ways to make anchors on their hair. As long as you have an anchor, you can do this. You just need something that can anchor the hair on. And I'm just gonna probably take this out and reuse it, hopefully, because I didn't really spray it with anything. I didn't really do much to it. I didn't manipulate it. I just took the rubber bands out of it, and that was it. And I used one of the rubber bands as a means to wrap the hair, so you guys saw that. And then I have a whole nother pack sitting right next to me, and this is $8. I just did Bergen Top on myself for $8. And there are girls paying like $100 to go get their hair done. Girl, you know, get on YouTube, watch a video, go buy some hair, and do it yourself. I really didn't even need this. If I didn't want to use this, I wouldn't have had to use this, but this is definitely lighter than this. So for the parts that I don't want my hair to just crust over the whole time, so this kind of gives me the option if I don't need as strong of a hold. Like if I were to keep this in but there to be flyaways, I'd probably use this foaming mousse or hairspray. This I'd probably just use if my edges come up, but I don't see my edges coming up anytime soon, just because I've used this before and I know how it works. But this is so fucking cute. Oh my god, the pictures I'm about to take, I'm about to do my makeup. The pictures I'm about to take, y'all, oh my god. But this was just a short video, just to give you girlies some hair type videos. I don't really do too many hair videos, but I have natural hair, so I feel like I should do my natural hair more often. This was so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. But my name's Brittany, aka Brittsmiley. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Even though I already know you did that because you love me, like, because I love you, you love me. We're a happy family. Okay, let me stop. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Don't forget to follow me on all social media, where I'll probably post pictures of this look. This is so freaking cute. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. I have definitely a video coming up where I'm explaining what's going on in my life and why I'm not being consistent. So I hope you guys will take the time to watch that video when it comes out. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I definitely just got my braces off. It's still a surreal feeling. If you guys want to watch that video, it's down more than not in my description below. But my name is Brittany, aka Brittsmiley, and stay beautiful, my loves.